The world's run by robots, and we spend most of our day telling them that we're not a robot all day long. May I see my stuff, please? I smell a robot. Prove to me you're not a robot. Look at these curvy letters. Much curvier than most letters, wouldn't you say? No robot could ever read these. Is it an E or is it a 3? That's up to ye. You've correctly guessed, but now it's time for the robot test. I've devised a question no robot could ever answer. Which of these pictures does not have a stop sign in it? What?